Let's open Figma. After opening that, let's create a new design or choose existing design. Creating a new design. So wait a little bit. So I am skipping that. I have made the design. So now let's enable the develop option. Now just click there and the pin HTML generator, click there. After clicking that, or you don't have that, just go to plugin and choose the Figma to HTML. Here you can see all of the codes and you can simply copy the codes from here. Just copy and paste this code into a code editor and save that. And you will get the design file. That is very simple. So I am saving that. X.html. So here you can see the result of that. So now let's see the other option. The new feature is the section 2. So how to use that? Just simply drag the section tool over your design and enable the ready for development. This is very simple task. It will help the developer a lot because he don't need to find all time what need to develop. He can get the confirmed file in the left side here. It is very handy. So the next feature is auto layout, the wrap tool. So the wrap tool works just like that. Here you can see the sample. That's it. Hope yes, it is the wrap tool. And let's see the how it's work. Here you can see it is very handy and helpful. We don't need to waste our time to fit the header or something. That's it for today. Hope you guys do well.